Okay, CES 2026, we are looking at the Himax booth right now. This is Steve. Go ahead and tell me a little bit about what you're doing here.
Hi, I'm Steve with Himax. We make ultra-low power AI processor and sensors, and we also make LCOS microdisplay that can be embedded into smart glasses.
Okay, so this is going to be a display that you can see while you're walking around, as opposed to most of the glasses that just have audio that tell you what's going on. You can actually see information with these, right?
Exactly.
So how do those work?
Let's take this as an example. I mean, this is a glass that we prototype together with Quanta computer, and then we have embedded our eye tracking solution and then a scene camera for AI. So this utilizes our ultra-low power processor. So we're always on detecting what events that are interesting for the user. And then once there's an identified event, we wake up the larger SoC or your phone for more maximized interaction experience. But at the same time, when there's non-interesting event, we put the glasses into low power mode so that it can achieve all day long battery life smart glasses.
That's awesome. That's actually a really cool idea. What kind of a battery life should we expect out of this? This would be, you said, all day long?
Yes. So I mean, right now we have partners that have tested using our WiSi AI processor. Okay. It can achieve 8 to 10 hours depending on the events that they have set as a threshold.
Okay, that's actually really cool. So you can actually tell it what to look for to expect as an event. What are some of the categories that we would look for?
So hand gesture would be one, and then voice would be another one. So whenever we identify there's a human in front, set that as an event that could be triggered. Once that person speaks, we identify it as an interaction event, and we wake up the larger SoC for text translation, LinkedIn profile searching, stuff like that.
What kind of a resolution could we get out of that camera?
So right now, our newest camera, because we also have to keep in mind the higher resolution, and you have to find the right balance of the ultra low power state. Right. So right now we are embedded 4 megapixel camera, less than few microamps of power.
Really? A few okay, wow, that's actually excellent. That is some very interesting technology. I like that.
So this is the LCOS microdisplay that we have made, where we have very high brightness with 1000 nits. Okay. And then the form factor is very small, thin and light, as you can see.
This goodness.
Yeah. So this is display that can be shown as the microdisplay for glasses. It's outputting 720 by 720 resolution. Okay. 1000 nits, very low power, 200 milliwatts when it's operating.
That's incredible.
Yes, and so this can achieve during daylight. Mm-hmm. You can still see very clearly.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and then it's thin and light, so it's perfect for glasses.
Okay, is this something I can look through?
Yes, you can look
through. Okay, let's see what we got.
So you have to align it a bit.
Oh, a rose. Oh.
If you mimic sun, so if you look to the lighting fixture, you can still see it very clearly.
Oh yeah, oh that's actually super impressive. Wow, so it's able to do all that with that tiny little processor, and how many watts did you say?
200 milliwatt for the display to be on, so
that's
1000
incredible.
nits. Yes.
Wow, okay. Well, that is awesome. I expect I'll see a lot out of these guys. Himax, they have got one heck of a presentation going on right here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.